Good morning, students. Today we'll be dealing with the first chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, some basic concepts of chemistry. From the name itself you can understand that this is consisting of basic concept. Basic concept which you might have learned earlier also, mole concept, these all things, matter, okay, elements, compounds, these all things you will be learning in this chapter. And after that some new things which will be introduced, okay, like molarity, molality, all the physical quantities you might have studied, length, measurement quantities like length, meter, is this type of things. And one more thing, that specific notation, scientific notations, and significant figures, okay, these things you will be studying. And the basic mole concept you will be studying, Avogadro's laws, those things are also included. Okay, now first we'll study about matter. Matter you might be knowing, you have studied in class 9th, very similar things are there. Okay, that matter is consisting of what? Which have mass and occupy some space, that is matter, and it is divided into solid, liquid and gas, that you might be knowing. Okay, that is a physical classification. Okay, physical classification मतलब matter can be divided into solid, liquid and gas. matter solid भी हो सकता है, liquid भी हो सकता है और gaseous state भी हो सकता है अगर उसका physical state देखो तो. But chemical classification we had done. Okay, now we will be seeing, you have done in class 9th, I know, but then also you might have forget. So we need to see how it can be divided physically and chemically. Okay, so let's see. Now matter is classified. Physical classification is there and chemical classification is also there. Okay, physically it is classified into solid, liquid and gas. Okay, physically it is classified into solid, liquid and gas. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. But chemically it is classified into pure substance and mixtures. Okay, pure substance and mixtures. Okay, pure substance now again can be classified into elements and compounds. You have studied, you can remember now. Okay, pure substance is classified into elements and compounds. Okay, and the impure substance or the mixtures are classified into homogeneous or heterogeneous. Understood? Okay. Now, these elements are again classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Okay, metals, non-metals and metalloids, and these compounds are classified into organic and inorganic. Okay, now mixtures are classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous as we had discussed. Okay, so this is the basic classification. Now we will see this in detail. Okay, you might be knowing some of the definitions, means you might be knowing. Okay, what are elements? Element is what? Which is consisting of only one kind of atoms. Okay, like if we are talking about gold, it is consisting of only one kind of atoms, that is gold. सिर्फ गोल्ड के ही एटम होंगे उसमें, ठीक है. ओके, अच्छा, ज्वेलरी बनाने के लिए उसमें कुछ मिक्स किया जा सकता है, कुछ इम्प्योरिटीज, बट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्योर गोल्ड, प्योर गोल्ड इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ गोल्ड ओनली, वो सिर्फ गोल्ड का ही बना है, ठीक है. जैसे प्योर गोल्ड है, ये प्योर गोल्ड नहीं है, बिकॉज इसमें ये इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ज्वेलरी, ठीक है. तो ज्वेलरी में कुछ ना कुछ इम्प्योरिटीज मिक्स करनी पड़ती है. ओके, बट टू मेक इट हार्डन, ठीक है, सॉफ्ट प्योर गोल्ड से ज्वेलरी नहीं बन सकती. तो बट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एलिमेंट गोल्ड, तो एलिमेंट गोल्ड इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ ओनली गोल्ड. ओके, कॉपर की बात करूं तो वो कॉपर के ही काइंड ऑफ एटम से, मतलब सिर्फ कॉपर के ही एटम्स उनमें होंगे, ओनली वन काइंड ऑफ एटम इज प्रेजेंट इन एन एलिमेंट. ओके, ओके, सो how you will define? It is consisting of one kind of atoms only. Okay, now compounds and mixtures are little bit similar, but a word is different in both the things. Okay, so compounds, if I am talking, compounds को कैसे define करेंगे? Compounds means two or more atoms can be combined in a fixed ratio. Understood? Two or more atoms can be combined in a fixed ratio. एक fixed ratio में combined रहता है. For example, H2O. Okay, 1:8 में इसका combination होता है. Understood? 9th में पढ़ा होगा आपने. Okay, so 1:8. How 1:8 you had calculated? This is the atomic mass of this is 1 and this is what? This is what? Atomic mass is CO2, NH3 like this we had calculated. Okay, so दो या दो से ज़्यादा एटम कैसे कंबाइन है? एक फिक्स्ड रेशियो में कंबाइन है. मीन्स फिक्स्ड रेशियो मीन्स if hydrogen is 1, then oxygen means oxygen is taken as 8 grams. Understood? 1 gram hydrogen is combined with 8 grams of oxygen. So like this a fixed ratio is there. Understood? So all the compounds are mixed in a fixed ratio. Understood? Okay. But mixtures are what? Mixtures are also a combination of atoms, but there is no fixed ratio in this. Understood? So you can write here 2 or more atoms combined in a fixed ratio. Okay, and here you can write 2 or more atoms can combine in any ratio. Understood? 2 or more substance can combine in any ratio. Okay, here there is a fixed ratio, but here there is not any fixed ratio. Understood? Okay, so here you can give an example of H2O, CO2, but in mixtures you cannot give that type of example. You can give any example like soil you can give, air you can give. Okay, that type of example can be given in mixtures. Okay, now it may be homogeneous, it may be heterogeneous. Homogeneous is what? Homogeneous is that in which a substance is uniformly mixed. Okay, uniformly mixed throughout the solution. Understood? अब ये homogeneous भी हो सकता है. Understood? So homogeneous, how you will define? That it is mixed uniformly throughout the solution. Okay, now heterogeneous, there is no uniformity, there is a physical difference, means there is a visible boundary between solute and solvent. Understood? So you can write in which the substance in which the solute particles are not homogeneously or uniformly mixed in the solution throughout the solution. Understood? Okay, in that way it can be defined. What? Heterogeneous. Homo में uniformly mixed and hetero में non uniformly mixed. Okay, okay, there is a visible boundary. जैसे आप लोग अगर मैं बोलूँ चॉक पाउडर को वाटर में डाल दो, if you will dissolve some, it will not dissolve. If you will put some chalk powder in water, what will happen? It will first you will try to dissolve it, but it will not dissolve and it will settle down at the bottom. What will happen? There is a visible boundary. Visible boundary मतलब हमको अलग अलग नजर आएगा कहाँ गया चॉक और कहाँ है वाटर. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट इज अ विजिबल बाउंड्री. बट शुगर को घोलोगे तो कोई विजिबल बाउंड्री दिखेगा कि इतने में शुगर है इतने में पानी है? नो, देयर इज नो विजिबल बाउंड्री. मीन इट हैज बीन मिक्स्ड थ्रू आउट द solution, but in heterogeneous it has not been mixed in a uniformly, or it is not uniformly mixed throughout the solution. Understood? So that is why it is called heterogeneous solution. Okay, or heterogeneous mixture. Understood? Okay, so this is the outline of this. Okay, then we will be dealing with the next topic in next video. Okay, so you can draw this. Okay, take the screenshot and draw this. Okay, and you can define it very short, mean briefly you can write. Okay, so this is the classification of matter. Okay, you can define it very briefly. Okay, okay.